Okay, sure na yema wakwa ba GH Live Studios. And asante Kotoko ultimi abo adwumaden akwakosi akan wono ene wa for front say bibia ne Gold Stars and at the ball. So goalless draw and a final score eto dwa and am referee adaroma enti asante Kotoko ultimi abo goalless draw. Nanka enye referee na nka ye dan 3 maximum points enti referee no ni tri so kakra ene na pampa. So but wadama onso hwe game ni bi. And I say, so I should be cry with all due respect. Yeah, Baba be big game no home come cry. Na what you said in so no esi ekoye na bibia ato dwa kama. Yamia nim kotoko empanyufo ekoye any abrie papa. Okoro nkwaya de wono ena timi intervene kama nei enema aye nkunimdie so one shwe game ni bi ahwego.
Tambonio heads it into the net and
yes, Kotoko go ni. We are beti enu na da kwa Jesia na oye main commentator for the game. Said ye one minia Kevin Osu ansa omusi e cover that is bia your friend say go no any one more session during the goal. She go ni go Kotoko share ni goalkeeper no crowd ni pushy woman defender and I say whoever the person I know in front and it become inusa bibia nsi show yes defender arise akuwe ma head the ball at the atum. But referee say ojigo na enye yi hwebo no mame hwe enti waje results na hwe the bottom a split point no ama Kotokonya 1 point Gold Stars enso anya 1 point and a referee ndi back a hwe the bottom ti asante Kotoko goal no enye. This is the main talk of the town ade ene ma referee edi nsemu no ebi eno no na referee ne ebedi no ho nkomo kakra na yahwe ni suban boni ene na dream boni a wode nam na ene na so Vision FC etna efie enya red card omo sheka baako ema media ma etwa omo 2-1 that is the PMO eno no yes Lim Adams ene share 2 goals no ema media ma ena Kracher versus Farouk Mohammed Nations FC player na Okolon ewo Vision no ono so enya consolation edema Vision boboko no Kotoko yenya goalless draw 0-0 na de tie ene sese ye reti your boys no ahwe wo modern mo na wo boy ya mini coach ebe ya ene de na performance no output no it was good also wa say na wo hu no nyame na performance no wasn't bad nkunya no na wo ho kama ye behwe player by player na bibia tumi akoso ye hwe goalkeeper or that na mu a Mohamed Kamara he was top notch perfect Samba One super Morphine Donzo first half no hia unya beautiful half chance bi ono boy criti ya na o ma keeper na kra no Kobe no utimi say o fa anya do akakra woni widie mu Saka Dauda unya early yellow card but he was all in round no na eye Hubert Gel as usual super magnificent na Ojibor no dazzle kama a shot 2 players Henry Ansu Meka say one of his best games so far we Freeman enye yes oyade ne Joseph Amwa one of the workaholic boys are me yenka talent wise cry okuni ho or cover grass baby ade ne betubia obebo Joseph Amwa super Lord Amwa as usual oye adwuma kama crosses no na edu baby a more room for improvement ebema enka ebeboa Peter Amidu Akwa perfect it was good kakra yenya nyina 100% Dogo Yakubu super phenomenon Debbie ena Dogo Yakubu enyaye in as much as one caressable and twatning but I think the rounds and then a surging forward anyhow we see the ball every round Krachi obebo ni pa baba ya Sports Stadium pa menim also adwentre efa Dogo Yakubu ho Prince Badu marvelous na Prince Badu na yes na pa enye fedia grunty it was good it was very good make us eniema ekọ nanim ye uhwemu a yebeka se ne modern one me perspective enti me so me jonso adwentre fa wonso se de ohu niema eba ye eto ase na ye nto aso eni nkomo referee a odi ball ne beba no so na gife ene enyam bransama to me odi ye team two teams enye workaholic training entem penting kwa entim fifre nkonko gina park so nye training na edru match day a single sabe officiating official ababa bedin sem no referee gina fimfi no your friend Julian Nunoo ena afi line 1 your friend Paul Atimaka Paul Atimaka wo mu nie hwe wo mu yi ma me nkofo we ena ene wo mu ejina mfimfin eto airem ena wo mu ball wo man kasa ti so ena o mapampa so nsem hunu mo eyoye yes referee ni na referee we na 2 years ago Ghana nyina yi ni so best referee such a useless officiating official when it comes to officiating such guy and mpanyifo yi ni say oye GF nyina best referee of the year Emma this guy woman Lantra referee very lazy referee Nunoo on na 2022-2023 Ghana nyina you see yi ni say best referee yeah and na Kurt Edwin Simon Okreku uyo obi a chese enema no ankasa mo hwehwe niema this guy was a poor referee from the onset enye ball we nko ene ebeka sashi nipa yes ashe me hide me feelings ball no ashe me say referee obi be how on earth and now obeka say ball we a offside a foul and a useless referee without any sabi. This guy is a very stupid, with all due respect, very Julianina, very stupid referee. How can you be doing this? Whoa, I don't know. So yes, idea we shall line 1 Paul Atimaka. Line 1 Paul Atimaka. Line 2 Seth Agbeleto. These are the guys. And Kofona is a black 4. Age now no we are Tenga and Samba Frima. They are wicked 4 guys. These guys, forgive me, say be I'm here harsh, but sometimes I saw the hammer bought that one so referees and some who for. So young guys, cause some with all due respect, and omudi, which is really bad. You cannot be doing this. And then a year ball, Eritrea referee for DB, Rwanda referee for DB, by useless in T, Ghana referee by Copenhagen Afcon DB. Nati, what village circle, why, and I'll be the referee. Village circle, why, these guys, show him. Referee now, what didn't say Gunechino, your friend Julian Nunoo. Stupid officiating. When young Tosabi, idea is stupid, they are stupid. With no malice intention. Player need on cast, on pushy will be even goalkeeper and pushy in the player. Goalkeeper na foul on one player, and also I just foul and I'll do offside. For what reason? Julian Nunoo. I mean, I say referee and penny for Bamno. Who Alex Cortos and why I won now GFA blah 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 blah. Kotoko ball. Na asemsia obetena sempa FM obetena radio so uselessly father no I can say because I Kotoko. Now ye train e china Sunday na de chair Monday kotena sempa FM o na keka won samu Kotoko o kati aye no ho. Kona kotena na keka won sani bi e fa nsama o kati aye no ho. Yes. These are the 4 guys, Julian Nunoo and Paul Atimaka, Seth Agbeleto. 4th official now, we not far end, you know. Your friend Gideon Ni Coffee. Now, 4th official, won't put another draw referee attention. Say, Jack, it needs a munu. Men needs a munu na born at connect. Not rescind the decision now, also in your go, no. Nobody cares. In Kofontinaka, move free Kumas and Kobe Biani. Not one guy, Yansha Akwana Nimye. A guy or no at the whistle ashana no at a whistle. Say, look at him. This guy, Ghana, SEO FIFA referee. Young Kofa da. I mean football there. Come on, mistake ba. Every team benefits from officiating official a little bit in any way. A board here normal, I tell you. But this is so deliberate. Come on. Obetinya foul will be, I mean, penalty mistake, Baba. Come on. How on earth? Asase bay so. And I be catch him such a boy in your goal. Asase bay so now because a boy in your goal. Asase bay so shabon in the corner. Goalkeeper and a pushy on one goal in the player. Samba and so be a money hurry. Sasha beam. Samba wan so bia mu ne huriye wakọ wiem Samba ko wiem edinity apem ball pine ato atenem. Look at this. And yes, nipa ranting for ranting sake. But that's so it's so classless officiating. Hey now be foul. And I offside, and I am Rafa Frababo man. Now I can't na boom at said they cover Sunday school training. Look at him. Such an me say referee mistake, but we won't mean very mistake. Where a deliberate idea on a line one, no, Paul Atimaka, I can't boom here. Line one, Paul Atimaka, Seth Agbeleto, Gideon Nikofi, Julian Nunoo. These 4 guys are more than a woody for. More than a woody for. Or no one goalkeeper push you or no one player. No, or Sergeant foul, yeah. For what reason? As I said, so. Me frustrate you. Kotoko born if free coach I ever become, if free player ever become. Yes, players know a lot of displeasure or more players. You need players sample of about 15 to 20 players, and I hear undercover and komudia or muka no money say a sabi CID ni bi no mudi nko enra ne kan wa sam chiro every premier de beba omo displeasure near me ekoso a omo so say enke sesan keboa na none of the players Kotoko players no and an kan sem pamfa na na apenkra obi abo na apenkra ba so say papa ni papa na they went on the ball and come sample of view no ball individuals be a ye nyema bi a emwa eno ye beba so nya no ne ye kan ne but come on obi enye training enkobo ball and risking life and foka anko then you whistle this okay we mistake so me say again a mistake what do you know here again a mistake say be a referee we dey fa nani so and I say referee to me a mistake fair enough but when you mistake untimi in fa we nka say referee no monitoring pod that say kwan bia so pesa Kotoko be win bibia che say obonitrum po say pene ma Kotoko enwini da na ye say I do anim ebedo anim sa monkoso na monyo sa mudi monkoso na monyo sa na at the gate of your glory no ena mo be hu say mo be sia mo niam hunu. This is so stupid with all due respect e hadwen se sa niam bi sei ebekoso me pese unya bo 20 na metwa ho nko a e de kire wo no. Now yentie mia nua na da kwa Jesse ono na ye commentator for GPL and of course minia Kevin Ofori omo main omo commentary position say no mu hu go no yentie wo mo
and referee whistles. There was an infringement and the goal will not count, but somebody rose and just hit the ball into the net from the header, but it won't count.
It was quite surprising. Look at that delivery there coming in from Lord Amoa. Inusa had virtually, and look at that. Looks like, how is that? There was nothing in there. I think Nunoo might have missed that tackle.
Samba O'Neill has slid into the net and referee whistles. There was an
yes, commentators name you Kevin Ofori. Yes, Kevin Owusu answer. Minia Kevin said there was nothing in there. A year foul, a year free kick, a year offside in ye. And so far, Nipa Bako, Julian Nunoo, and then Natianti Dom, also a Dr. Paula Timaka, Seth Agbeleto, and then Gideon Nikofi. These are the 4 guys akoye wudisem ama aye wudisem or dance park. Yes. Nti game no Kotoko 0. Goal Stars also 0. Mediama winning 2-1 wa win. Nti Mediama ko 40 points. Goal Stars for ne your Robo Edema will mean so abetoso second or 33 points. Kotoko aba abetoso miensa with 32 points. Adriana enyamo ni game or also 32 points. It also for Hearts of Folk. Woman so enra say bia go kama ye shitia woman referee so je nye or also pie no. Yes, ena ene or the take kwakwa woman so tosu 32 points. Samates tosu nsia e de baba bisi ase na ye di say e liga ye be brepa mi ye be bre bruta ye be brepa say di say na ye liga ye be brepa Kotoko your next home game da kwesiada ye ne Basake Holy Stars your next home game ye ne Basake Holy Stars ye bo wi na ye ne Heart of Lion abo ansana nyankonton for no aba ameni o mabo ye be ma more updates about it na ye pese one kasa o judge from your own point of view e bia me na me kasa bibrea fa chame nam say me ya kakra me ntwantro with all due respect me ya say BBC be koso me ya say I mean come on how on earth asase beso and abeka say sa bowie infringement bowie normally obi ko wiem ko timi so obi kwan chi anasisi ba when this guy wa anyesa na mo masha black we said yes sebe mo ko some trowa look at them nine katwim ti said they kwa akoka ai nine hwe look at him akwa no gina samba nche no na ye center referee na gama no no so e wo fa ai your friend say owo ai nche ho na tinga nche ho no ono na de po atemaka ono ne raise flag no na kwa na ugina samba nche no so ka say o ye he no ano no na kwa na ugina omienu mfimfin efe ne say agbeleto no na no no so edase ono ma we ya no apagya flag no na kwa na o ye first one no ye fe ne Gideon ni Kofi ono na ye fourth official uselessly no no so gina kira wantimi am promptu um say Jack baby e gina de ball na ye clear o wantimi enti de wom no yes hardwin obi yentie coach Karim Zito right after the game.
We won't give the very good any briefing space, and they will continue pressing them up until we are able to score. But unfortunately, the goal we scored was disallowed by the referee. So to me, I think coming to the BNI and play draw with the BNI is not a bad result at all. But we had wanted to win to beef up our chances of fighting for the league.
Coach, Nunoo, was it a fair reflection of the game?
It wasn't. Seriously, it wasn't. Because we had a lot of chances. We also had some few ones. And I think aside the goal we scored and then disallowed, I think it
Okay.
smoothly with the game. Tactically, everybody was showing his ability and capability as a team until that issue. To me, it was a nice game.
Were you impressed with your striker?
Well, I'm impressed with both Zozo and then Dogo, because this is his first game. He just trained with her for about 4 days compared to the time he came. So you see that he was able to fit in as if he has been with her for a longer period of time. So he has done his best.
Next week at home, coach, what should we expect?
Well, we should the draw is too much. We should score at all costs.
Okay, coach said draw near too much. Your Basake game in there. We should definitely score at all costs. And you share I am pong. I know and someone I mean they twice so I'm go no. And I say coach no na bibia so my goodness, a hard drain. And that dear me Kotoko sem na banepa a hard my goodness. Untin can't tell me bo when you go da. Me say me ma me cry chichi ma me ntiase. Me say blata kra wa FIFA panyin kra me ntiase. Bo when you go. Na hwe nanim. Ohwene se me de wo. Ohwene ani wani ese me de. Ha? O presa unim so beti ato. Ha? O presa ana me nyom professional kakra. Me dwabu ka. Na akwa we atimi aba begina bo mu. Na me mpese me soundo a little bit but Julian Nunoo, Paul Atemaka, Sir Tagbeleto, Gideon Kofi. Ti wa judge. Oba resource nation ebuto mo be pae no. Ko go hye ho odene nyame aboa ya pemba akwa atumu a. Wo se sei. Ha? Wo se sei krache. Wo se sei. E die pa na krache wo je. Abusia also kyerɛ wadwen fa to ase na yehu game no me de ho ne hia me ɛdeɛ na woka kyerɛ referee ɛnɛ deɛ me ɛnɛ zito sem opposite na ɛyɛ ye play and I think it was good opposite na ɛyɛ ya dogo no nso ɛbɛboa pa ɛne ɛde ne wom yes ɛnyɛ bad dogo no workaholic akwa no oh amo abeka no ye jawadwo yɛbɛbɔ league no ɛdene nso nyɛ dene yɛbɛtumi the 3 points about home and so referee Nunoo Nunoo bonum akwa no ɔda hɔ no Nunoo bonum wo se hene na abɛka kyerɛ m sɛ bowie may God and have mercy on you nyinaa any football yeyo ɛwɔ village circle hɔ nyame ohu yɛ nyinaa ɛmɔbɔ meka ho bi won so ka ho bi now Robin Penn we dey yen ka no kre on say incident bi timi si hey na yeah but come on ba bia nifo ni nyinaa nim sɛ ade na tat na ne mawie adwuma na si nipa sɛ ɔmpene madwuma na si na mo GF fo no guy a obedi ball voma wɔ no odi biti a ewie ya na mbɔ na baso ma na FIFA referee badge akwa we nso adi atie yi mu wi am na baso na mto VIP bas nche no why dogo bola akwa na rane ebefa ebe nti ehadwen Asante Kotoko back with 1 point which is really saddening say sadde no etimi ekoso how will you rate Kracha a friend say dogo Yakub Dogo say na be rating no fa ne to ase me hu comment e fa ne ho na ye hu say den susa so no ebeko say na goal no nso a referee disallow ye no me pesa mani ya me ya na mani keka me hu ana me ka cho say na nso hu no say na hu no na die na referee so gina wani mu a obeka kire but ye mo okoro nkwa ba so oya de na kotokwachi empanyufo no buefu but Oshasia a Juma, Wachesa national team apa material Emma with me a shodo near mamma a year pesantion same be a robbery and a chunk as uncle sanction into a year with your fat cock can't to panco na kako kokosa Julianuno na mons maybe chairman soloka simbi na no men share ne baroka simbi say it's hard time I say you should never be a kakra referee for no maybe be a story no but I think me yen na ya or kind me na anya adwe be na me yen na ya adwen there is no way I will be convinced me say bowie sebi enyego be ni ati asefo asase isu a bowie obi be convince me say enyego da hwebo ni mami o be ni ho Ade. David. Yenisa emwaye. Si yenisa emwaye. Yenisa emwaye. Momenhwe referees no eyiye. Ne nyina o mind ba ko ne team. Daniel Ayi okudi alatabo Kotoko ano aso ye kon emiaye. Julian Nunoo ono nso no omiaye. Akoye fe na kumate. And that's one useless referee Selom Yao blessing. Or no, so come on. These referees look at them. Min person sound way by one. Tetuan mo fa last and brobe mo asante mampon. Referee no mudi ebini. Enemy am ofa okwompa. Nti say na no mudi referee. Ofa okwompa. Say na no di referee na referee no wasan. I want to offer brobe, alasan brobe. Odi me fenchem say you have been a referee because you know boy city to go face or buff or yeah nice good intimate take no agi go fun so etia o mawi or buff is no bunku to dwe no say rade na de wa anyam ya asemasi na de o musidi koboku num papa na aso achi no okoya na oja referee die okoya na kweti referee na de mo ntoto mo pamko wanted nko mpesa me sound way bia abotre yen hold your emotions now they are in free but Daniela you could di ball e ma Morocco foi hypocritically Ghana foi nyina na den referee no we are Nigeria nipa bone sama Baby or the teacher dear Fijasi is a grabbing ho, or the teacher dear debut Kotoko detail, and Ibian or the Korean Nigeria for you. Julian Nunoo means nipa bonsam sa hwede wayo. Akwaba kwankumate or time Kotoko time and a salom ya bless and your uncle she has best 7 nail maybe. Adi monkoso sa monkoso se mintimi nka say se kofia du na ka say yen share ya momo nso nhye a etoje mo a me de mi monkoso monkoso ababu ayi nyina nti once again Julian Nunoo, Paul Atimaka, Seth Agbleto, Gideon Nikofi na man of the match ewo Kotoko ni Gold Stars game a yakwakobo we nya first time e BSc nti nyese ni pair around bro so anasa se ne etie ni brenem ni name we dey ya pass ni nyina because look at this. Come on, now are there now where is that? Huh? Katani Bekacho said this is asshole referee and we could in assault. Tano Bekacho or say assault, sorry. Or Bekacho straight. And yes, sir. Being free Congo, me head the bow with him see. Huh? Now passing a credit near to work with him Congo ni me pin bomb to at me say. Was it there being a go? Would they are banging to are useless? Ebeshi amodachi no mabayara. Nkashi nkodu. Umasu ntumu kwa muda. 3 points we nya ya nka yo. Yeah. For adwen che to ase na yenhwe. Referee no hu ni say. Na mo GF ye twen mo. Ye twen sans na mo de be ma line 1 Paul Atimaka, Julian Nunoo, on the referee no, Seth Agbleto. Ena Gideon Nikofi. Yabesa aba. Now the other details, no, abro. Kotoko be prepare ahead of your net Basaka Holy Stars. Yaba, na yaba betuaso. Ama in a for life. Ewa here.